Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ZOTAC MAGNUS One ECM7307LH compact barebone kit. So friends, ZOTAC released a compact barebone kit with GeForce RTX 3070 LHR at 8.33 liters capacity. So friends, the MAGNUS One ECM7307LH sits in the ZBOX-E Series. It is a tiny barebone kit with 8.33 liter capacity and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 LHR CPU, and the CPU is an Intel Core i7-10700 with 8 cores and 16 threads. The memory is DDR4 SO-DIMMx2 up to 64 GB, and the storage is M.2 into 2 slots, 1 into 2.5 inch SATA bit, 2.5 gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6 integrated wireless LAN and Bluetooth 5, and USB 3.1 Type-A into 4, USB 3.0 Type-A into 3, USB 3.0 Type-C into 1, microphone terminal into 1, headphone terminal into 1, SD card reader into 1, DisplayPort 1.4A into 3, HDMI 2.1 into 1, HDMI1 Equipped with, and the power supply unit is a 500 watt 80 plus platinum certified variant with external dimensions of 126 mm wide, 265.5 mm deep and 249 mm high, and the finished model with DDR4 16 GB memory, 512 GB NVMe M.2 SSD, and pre-installed Windows 10 Pro 64-bit is also available, and including OS unit sell for $2,259. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.